Okay, guys, here we go. Day 4 of the summit. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe we're already into day 4. Today is all about digital products and going live, ways in which you show up for your audience. And it's super, super important that you learn some of these skills today because we cannot build a business by not building relationships, right? And so it is super important that you are finding ways to show up and be in the lives of your audience and your tribe. So, what's on tap for today? Oh my gosh, building and boosting our authority through visibility. It is crucially important that we make sure that we are getting out there and getting in front of people. Lights, camera, live. I'm super excited about that presentation. Authorship is the building block for growth. These are great ways in which you can take your zone of genius and provide value to your audience. The mojo of masterminds, your driving force to success, fabulous opportunities to learn more and figure out ways in which you can be there and support your audience so that they become lifelong customers for you. Day 4 is all about showing up. And I am super, super excited that you are here today to learn from all of these absolutely extraordinary speakers. So a couple of things I want to remind you. The videos below on this speaker page today will be available for 24 hours. So make sure that you're watching those time clocks as you go through this process so that you can get as much of this content inside your brain as you possibly can. There are also links below the videos. These are ways in which you can connect with the speakers, check out what they have going on, access some of their resources. I've also added additional products and services that have helped me along the way. Check those out while you can. The other thing that I want to remind you is if you're feeling a little overwhelmed, this is day 4 in the summit, make sure you click on that All Access Pass button and go snag your All Access Pass. Not only are you going to gain access, lifetime access to all the live videos that you are watching right now, but you're also going to get that much deeper dive that I take with every single speaker. And I guarantee you, you are not going to want to miss that one. So while you're here, definitely check out some of those links below the videos. And guys, I am so looking forward to the content that we are getting ready to dive into inside day 4. I'll see every one of you inside the summit. Bye, everyone.